Hey guys, good morning. So today for social studies, you are going to have another quiz in Epic about a book. So you're going to go into your Epic and you are going to search using the digital search tool for maps, and you will see all of the books on maps. Today we are going to read this one right here. It is called Keys and Symbols on Maps. So go ahead and click that one. And you are going to read it on your own, or you could listen to it because it's a read to me.
Keys and Symbols on Maps by Meg Grieve, Rorick Educational Media, copyright 2013.
So I'm going to go ahead and assign it to everybody right now. Assign to everybody. Okay, so you're going to see it in your mailbox. You're going to read through the whole book all the way to the very end, and you're going to click Finish Book so that you can get your credits, and you're going to click Start Quiz. There are 4 questions in this quiz. The questions to the quiz are from the book, so make sure you are paying attention, okay? If you are not sure, you can go back into the book to look for the answers. You'll have to get out of the quiz to look for the answer. But I am confident that you will pay attention and know enough about maps from learning all week that you will not have to go back into the book because you're going to remember. But if you might need help to read the questions, because it's not read to me, so make sure you ask for an adult to help you, okay? Try your very best first. Don't take the easy way. Try your very best to read it by yourself. If you need help, ask somebody, a cousin, a brother, a sister, a mom, a dad, an uncle, somebody to help you read just a word that you can't read, okay? You got this.